Balinese dances are very ancient dance tradition that is a part of the religious and artistic expression among the Balinese people, native to Bali Island, Indonesia. Balinese dance is dynamic, angular, and intensely expressive. Balinese dancers express the story of dance drama through the whole bodily gestures, fingers, hands, and body gestures
Bomba?
to head and eyes movements.